The Aristocats, Picture Perfect, a book about seasons. What time of year do flowers start growing? When do warm breezes begin their blowing? Up in the trees you hear birds sing. Why, of course, it must be spring. What time of year is very hot? When does ice cream hit the spot? We paddle in water blue and clear. Summer is that time of year. What time of year do pumpkins smile? When do we stack red apples in a pile? Cool and crisp now blows the breeze. Why, it's autumn, if you please. What time of year is cold and white? When are snow friends a common sight? Keep yourself warm, don't be silly. Winter is here, it's very chilly. Each of these times is called a season, and each is fun for a different reason. If your favorite has passed, no need to fear. It will always be back again next year. Hope you enjoyed today's book, everyone. Bye! Which seasons are these from?